Hi. Welcome to Officexlr. Officexlr is a revolutionary way to build internal business applications, where you can create separate apps for your business processes, without writing a code. In this video, I will demonstrate you to create simple CRM, with drag-and-drop app builder. Let's begin with blank workspace, and create new doc type to capture leads. Let's enter doc type name, and click Create. We're now landed on doc type editor. Here we can design form view for our doc type. You can see different field types in the left side panel. You can add suitable fields by simply dragging and dropping it to right side box. We have added data field, to capture single line text. Let's change field label by editing field properties. We can also set this field as mandatory by selecting as required option. Let's add few more data fields to capture contact details of our lead. Great. We can also divide our form in multiple columns. Let's add a column. Let's add select field to track status of the lead. With select fields we can choose single option, from drop-down menu. Let's change the label of the field. Now, let's define statuses for our lead doc type. We can enter our list of options for drop-down menu. Similarly, we will add two more select fields to capture source and market segment of the lead. Now, we will add date field to capture when to contact this lead. We can add new section in our form by clicking on Add Row button. OK. Now let's add data table in our new section. To add child fields in table, edit table, and click on Configure table columns. Now, we can add fields in table by dragging and dropping in table editor, same as earlier. Let's add few fields to collect item details. We have added fields to capture item, quantity, and rate. Let's go back to our doc type by closing the table editor. So we have designed our doc type. Now let's save the doc type, and test it out. Let's go back to the desk. And we can find our newly created lead doc type. Here, in list view, we can create new records. Let's click on Create your first lead. And our lead form is appeared. Now let's fill out the data. I'm creating a record, with dummy lead details. And save it. Let's go back to the list view, and we will be able to access our created record. Similarly, we can create multiple records for doc type. We can generate reports from our created records. Let's navigate to Report Builder, to create new report. By clicking on Pick Columns, we can choose fields, which we wish to display in our report, as columns. Let's apply filter, to only show leads, which are in open state. And let's save it. That's how we can build business apps in Officexlr. Apart from this, you can fetch data from other apps to your doc types as a new record, or you can trigger actions on record creation in Officexlr. You can connect your app to more than 2,000 other products and services by using integrations and zaps. To rapidly assemble your business app, log on to officexlr.com.